This is a really great question, and you are correct. There are a ton of life coaching courses out there from $7 up to I've seen tens of thousands, $50,000 in order to become a life coach. And some people also even call themselves a life coach with no training whatsoever. So they are just using their life experience only. And I want to tell you the positives and some of the negatives about this. Now, the first thing that you should know is just like in any career, there are going to be people who are really great at what they do, and there are going to be people who just aren't that good at it. Take a doctor or a surgeon, or think of a mechanic that you've brought in your vehicle to. There are some that you will go back to every single time because of how amazing their work is. There are some mechanics that completely rip people off and probably just should not be in business. Well, the same thing is in life coaching. It's no different than any other profession. So similarly to how making sourdough bread has become popular, and there are a lot of people who now call themselves bakers because they make sourdough bread at home, it doesn't necessarily mean that their sourdough bread is great or that they're even good at business, finding customers, and being an entrepreneur. The same thing goes with life coaching. Anybody can say that they are a life coach, but that doesn't mean that they are good at it. And this is one of the negative sides of it, is they might get somebody, a stranger, to turn into a client miraculously and not do a great job in helping the person that they are trying to help. On the negative side, somebody who wants to just give it a try might do that and give life coaching a really bad name. Now, on the positive side, which I believe there are way more positives to life coaching than not, is that people who are called to really help somebody. Now, you can't regulate helping somebody or giving others advice. And so people who are called to really help somebody are the ones that are wanting to continuously learn and grow and better themselves. Now, these are the true people who I would call life coaches, are ones that go and get training so that they can learn tools and techniques and strategies and combine that with their life experience in order to become a coach. These people are the ones that are going to break through every challenge that comes up in their own personal transformation and then also learn how to help others. And believe me, the market of people looking for coaches will determine who makes it and who doesn't. Because if there are no skills there, that person will not get clients. They will not get individual clients. They will not get returning clients. They will not get referrals. They will eventually just give up, typically at about maybe a year, year and a half. For sure by year 2, they will be completely gone because they will have tried everything they can, but if they can't actually help people, they don't invest in their own education, it's just not going to happen. Now, the people who do really invest in themselves to really truly know how to help others are going to start to get clients. They are going to also learn the entrepreneurial side of how to find the people that they're meant to serve. The people that they know in their heart that they're supposed to help will come to them when they learn the entrepreneurial skills that are required. Then, when they have a client sitting in front of them, they will actually help them in ways that nobody else in this client's life has ever been able to help them. This is how you know that you are meant to be a coach and that you are on the right path. You will start with a few individual clients. They will continue booking with you typically because you'll have the skills where you're their go-to person. They will give you referrals, and that is how your schedule fills up and how you end up actually getting to live your purpose. But it doesn't just happen overnight, and it doesn't happen by accident. You do have to put in the effort in order to make it happen. But here's the secret nobody else is going to tell you. You have to want this more than you want anything else. Any old habits that you have that have been stopping you from your goals and your calling are going to have to get put on the wayside, and nobody else can do that for you except you. However, if you would like structure and step-by-step guidance and an amazing community that is on the same path as you, I want you to reach out to me so that we can set up a Zoom call and chat one-on-one to see if my heart-centered life coach methodology is the perfect fit for you and the next chapter of your life. I really look forward to seeing you soon.